Chad, the Crappie Kid Kaiser, coming to you with, oh yeah, beautiful fish, guys. You're going to want to join me and Uncle Nature. There he is up front working the boat. Tonight at 5 p.m., you guys are going to want to hear what we have to say on our show. Be prepared, grab that pencil and paper, be ready to take some notes. And you'll be just like that man right there. So subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends and family, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.